Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting feature of Alligned REI, a powerful leads management system built using GoHighLevel. If you are in real estate or manage multiple clients, you know how crucial it is to keep your appointments organized. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and manage appointments seamlessly within Alligned REI, ensuring your team stays on top of every lead and opportunity. Whether you are a beginner or already familiar with GoHighLevel, you won't want to miss this. So let's just get started. To schedule an appointment, the users will simply land on the landing page of our system we have built using GoHighLevel. So this is the landing page of the system. To book an appointment, we'll simply click on the schedule an appointment button, and the users will be redirected to this page where the users can select the date and the time on which they want to schedule their appointment. Once we select the time, we'll click on the select button and we'll be redirected to a form to fill in the basic information with whom we have arranged our appointment. We'll simply enter in the basic information. The users can also add in a guest if they want to invite any other user or any other participant for this appointment. Once the meeting is scheduled, we can also add in the meeting with the Google Calendar, Outlook calendars, and iCloud calendars. To just view the meeting which is being scheduled, we'll just simply click here on the notifications bell icon, and the users can see the new appointment which is booked within their system. As you can see, we have a new appointment which I just booked against John Smith. Moving forward, we can see and we can view the appointments in the calendars section. As you can see, I have the appointment listed here. I just scheduled with John Smith. We can view the details of the appointment. We can change the status of the appointments. We can also filter in this list by our preferences, and the users can also add in new appointments by just clicking on the new appointment button, and they'll have to simply click the appointment button and they will have this form popped up, and they will just simply add in the information and book an appointment within their systems. If we move forward to the contact section, we can also view the contact of the user with whom the appointment was just scheduled. The users can also view the basic contact information the user entered while booking an appointment. The users can also edit the basic information the users have in their scheduled appointment sections and in the contact section. They can also send in messages via WhatsApp, SMS, and email. It's up to their choice. Moving forward, we have the opportunities section where we can see the opportunities we have under the different statuses, which are new customers, onboarding call booked, onboarding call attended, onboarding completed, etc. If we move back to the contact section, we can also see the opportunities from here. If as you can see, we have the opportunity card and the appointment card. If the user click on the view opportunity, the user will see the details of the appointments schedule and can also view and change, look at the stages, etc., and can also update in the basic and information the users entered by just clicking on the update button. So this is it. This is how simply a user can schedule an appointment using Alligned REI, and they will simply have the appointments in their system via notifications and can track down the information of that appointment. So that's a wrap up on our walkthrough of appointment scheduling in Alligned REI. We hope this guide helps you stay more organized and efficient in managing your leads and appointments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on GoHighLevel and Alligned REI. And as always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.